marketing campaign takes a lot of coordination across teams and time zones. Here's how Confluence can help everyone get on the same page fast. We'll begin by creating a dedicated campaign page. You can start from scratch or choose from hundreds of templates. Once you define your campaign strategy, target audience, and goals, this page will act as a central hub to keep your team aligned and informed throughout the life of the campaign. Confluence makes collaborating with your teammates easy. Invite them to contribute to your campaign page. Then streamline the feedback process with real-time tags and comments. Need ideas? Gather your team for a brainstorm in Confluence whiteboards and start getting ideas up on the wall. To quickly iterate on things that sound interesting, tap AI to generate similar ideas and see what it uncovers. Once your whiteboard's filled up, AI can quickly get you organized by grouping related thinking together, at which point voting emojis let the team have some fun picking their favorite ideas. From there, turn your brainstorm into campaign action items, assigning tasks and timelines that keep everyone on schedule. And with status updates, everyone can easily monitor progress. Tired of wasting time tracking down relevant files and context for a project? Content trees let you nest important documents under your campaign's hub page and keep all related materials organized neatly in one place, so your team always has easy access to what you need. And with Smart Links, you can link to important resources like user research, competitive analysis, messaging guides, and design files, even if they aren't in Confluence. And when the big day finally comes for your marketing campaign to go live, store all the key metrics, analyses, learnings, and plans for future campaigns in Confluence so that your knowledge and experience never gets lost. Confluence is the collaborative workspace that takes your marketing campaign from idea to launch. Get your team on Confluence today.